Hi, welcome to Stoneware. This video covers the Mytiles page. When you log into Stoneware, it's typically on home, but we are going to go to the Mytiles page. And what's found here are those websites that you consider the personal websites that you like to go to that weren't provided from Stoneware automatically or originally. So for example, I've got a link here to my CenturyLink account, and I wanted to go to CNN, although there is a CNN app as well. So how do you add sites that you want to go to? Well, it's easy enough to add a site. The question becomes, do you want it to also pass your credentials? And the problem with that is some sites allow that, but some don't because they are written in a code that doesn't actually allow that to occur. So you just sort of have to test it. For it to pass your credentials, in other words, input your user ID and password for you, the browser has to support what we call the WebPass extension. Currently, the WebPass extension is only available in two browsers. One is Internet Explorer, the other is Chrome. And in another tutorial, we talk about how to install WebPass and use it to go to these websites. But to add a simple website, for example, let's say I just want to add one of my favorites. I'm going to add a tile here, and I'm going to type in the URL, www.rottentomatoes.com. Hopefully I spelled that right. And RW. And it's going to notice what I type here shows up there. And I'm going to say save. Okay. If I did that correctly, when I click on this, it should take me to the Rotten Tomatoes site, and it does. Okay. Notice it's not signing me in or anything. It's just taking me to that site. So that's how you can quickly just go to a site. Now, if I actually wanted to log me into the site, and this is an example in the Chrome browser, you see this little blue key up here, and you see these little blue keys on here, is that I have to have WebPass to do that. So that will be covered in another video, but that's how you quickly add a website. Also in apps or others you can do here, you can do the same way. You can come in here and click any of these that you want, and you say add to the desktop, you close it out, and now click, and this one actually allows me to demonstrate the situation where it's already been set up that you can type in your username and password here and it will remember it for you. So this one will actually log you into the website. Let me maybe try another one here that does not currently, although in the next release all these are supposed to automatically log you to the website by collecting your user ID and password from you, like the last site just did. Add to desktop, close out, there it is. And notice that this one just takes me to the website, but it doesn't sign me in. In the future versions, it should do what this one did here, which is prompt you for a user ID and password. It remembers it for you. So that's how the Mytiles page works. That's how it's different from the others. We in Technology Information Services set these up for you, but these are the ones that we did not set up for you and you would like to have. Again, as you use these, they show up in your recents, and you can actually add this to your favorites by right click and say add to favorites, and now when I go to home you'll see it's on my favorites bar.